Tired of missing bill payments and racking up late fees? Well, say goodbye to payment headaches, because today we're going to show you how to set up direct debit using the HSBC mobile app, making paying recurring bills effortless. First, open your HSBC mobile app and log in using your preferred method. Once you're in, look for the Pay and Transfer icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, and tap on it. This section is where you manage all your payments. Now, find and select Direct Debits from the list of options. This will take you to the Direct Debit Management section. Here, you'll see an overview of your existing direct debits. To set up a new one, tap on Set Up a New Direct Debit. You'll now be prompted to search for the company or organization you want to pay. This is your biller. Type the name of the biller in the search bar. A list of matching billers will appear. Select the correct one from the list. You'll now need to enter the details required by the biller. This usually includes your account number with that company and any other reference information they require. Fill in all the fields accurately. Next, you'll set up the payment details. Choose the account you want the direct debit to be taken from and set the payment frequency, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or another interval. If there is a specific amount to be paid, set this. Otherwise, you can set the company to take the payment. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully on the review and confirm screen. Make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the direct debit setup. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your direct debit has been successfully created, and that's it. You've successfully set up a direct debit in the HSBC app, automating your bill payments and saving yourself time and stress. Now you can sit back and let the app handle those recurring bills for you.